Nope. Going on 9 o'clock here, and it's 19 degrees outside. Real feel. Yeah, it's cold. And Winter Storm Blair is coming in tonight. So, people who got hit by it already, please be safe. I know Kentucky has got hit pretty good. Indiana is supposed to get really hit pretty good. And Ohio is supposed to get it really bad. Us here in PA, we're supposed to get the snow, so we're holding tight for the night. But we're working on 30 at 6. Got some pre-prime cases here with CCI primers. My brass is just mixed brass for me. A lot of it's Remington, some Winchester brass, and some range pickups. But not too many range pickups. I think I picked up like 4 or 5 before. But most of it's Remington and Winchester. I might have some Federal in that batch too. But we got varget powder. Now we're going to use a leaf scooper, as we always do. I don't use the powder drop too. One of my powder drops too much with varget. I notice they just don't like it. So I got the RCS trickle and scale here. I got a Hornady one of these also. One of the newer plastic ones. And we're loading up some bullets that CW sent me. These are a Lee, I think Lee 220 grain, but by the weight I'm getting, they're 230 grain. Lee 230, 310 hard, base removed, blue tail. A lot of people used to call these that missel, I think, in the 300 blackout the guys were loading. So we're going to try that at 30-06. It's a decent, just light plunking load. Maybe a woods load, but I don't think I would hunt with these pointed bullets. But we'll see how it does on target. If anything, that would be a really good close range heavy hitter. But I prefer to have a little bit more of a flatter point than that for hunting, or a hollow point. But so we're up to tonight. Press that's on duty is the CH press that you see in my last video. Got the Lee C press there. Bunch of other reloading bullets there. They're cast lead and brass. That's my cleaning bucket, one of my cleaning buckets. I was doing a cleanup on muzzleloader pistol. If you haven't seen those videos, check it out. That's there, guys, really quick, is 2 Lehman books and all my dies. You can see the die cases in a case. And a C-press. Bottom drawers, just my general jacket bullets and stuff. There's dies in every one of those drawers, a couple sets of dies, different die sets. Bring it back real quick, and you got pistol overloaded already. Let's start working more. But that's the 4 I got right now. A little bit of differences in sizes, but that's due to case length. I think some of my cases are different cases. I got a couple in here that are Remington, Federals, and Winchester so far I found. I think they're a little off on the trim, but I think I'm noticing so far. They're in around that 2.250 is what they pass, so the other ones are 2.246, so we're pretty close. That shouldn't matter all that much. And quick guys, yeah, they're only using a pair of Harbor Freights, but 3.250 round the money. That's about that many so far. Say guys, I'm just working slow, one at a time. Got 2 scales in front of me, weighing powder on the beam scale and checking it with the digital every so often. The digital is just that range mastery, guys. Please take that back. It's the Range Max. It's sold through Bass Pro Shop and Cabela's. It's a knockoff of it's another well-known brand. So we'll go there. Guys, we're gonna wrap this up for you guys. It's gonna be kind of quick. Me, I took about 3 hours to load this 30.6. It's going on midnight here, and I started around 9 o'clock, maybe 8 o'clock. Just took my time. I was watching YouTube. Had my phone running beside me, just playing, and a couple of little things I need to take care of here for the wife and myself. And other than that, I was just putting around loading these on the single stage, and I was really trying to rush them. I was loading everything on the bean scale, and load 3 or 4 of them, then I would check my weight on the next one on my digital with that to double check my charges. Again, guys, we were loading varget tonight. We're under 230 grain varget lead bullet. Nope. So again, guys, that's what we're loading. Good old 30-06, good deer hunting round, bear hunting round, boar. Good old service military round. Other than that, that bullet is about the same as the Lee. I think people call it the Lee missel or the missel. People use this bullet a lot of times and cast this bullet for the 300 blackout. If you guys know what it is, let me know in the comments. I know a lot of guys like that bullet in 300 blackout. That's a subsonic bullet. For me, I don't shoot subsonics in my 300 blackout. I shoot supersonics in that rifle, in that AR. I do not have a can. I have no need to shoot subsonics. Now, I was wanted to try subsonics, but I don't think my gun would cycle them. So, that's that. Again, guys, just using a CH press to load those. So, let's look at that press again. Got one of these dies in it tonight. Guys, this is another episode of late night reloading, I guess. But we're just killing time and about to bed, and that storm is coming in here soon with snow. I think we're supposed to get it around 2 a.m. So, I'll talk to you guys later. As always, we'll see you hunting. We'll catch you reloading, or we'll catch you guys cooking. I've been doing a couple reviews on some cooking stuff out there. New pans we got, and I'll have a few more cooking videos coming up here shortly. But I guess we'll talk to you guys later. As always, catch you later.